We go out as a group of guys and former players, and they are just blown away with how great my hair looks. I did the We Grow Hair Indy multi-unit hair grafting because I was tired of having to wear a hat.
So why was multi-unit hair grafting the best fit for Rick? Simple. Large area of loss, need a lot of density and a lot of coverage. PRP, platelet-rich plasma, is a great procedure to help JMV maintain his non-transplanted hair.
It really is amazing, and it works with We Grow Hair Indy.
We Grow Hair Indy, now the largest medical hair restoration clinic in the Midwest. Whether we are creating a new hairline filling in the crown or helping you keep the hair you have, you can expect permanent and natural results.
It takes about 45 minutes, and in this busy world, it's perfect.
Having the hair that I have now has just given me confidence and just making me feel good about myself.
Call 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com today. Grow your hair back